Think asbestos exposure is just a problem for construction workers? Think again. Sure, they're on the front lines, but anyone who steps foot in an older building could be at risk. Plumbers, electricians, HVAC technicians, even school janitors and office workers. If the building was built before the 1980s, asbestos could be hiding in plain sight. And it only takes a small disturbance, like drilling a hole or removing old tiles, to release these deadly fibers into the air. Remember, it's not just about your job, it's about your life, your health, your family. Knowledge is power, and when it comes to asbestos, knowledge can save your life. Asbestos is a dangerous material that can cause serious health issues if not handled properly. That's where OSHA outreach courses come in. They offer comprehensive training that equips you with the necessary skills and information. These guys are the gold standard for workplace safety training, providing top-notch education that meets industry standards. Their online asbestos hazards course is your one-stop shop for everything you need to know to stay safe. From identifying asbestos to understanding its risks, this isn't some boring, sleep-inducing lecture either. The course is interactive and designed to keep you engaged. This course is designed by experts to be engaging, easy to understand, and relevant to your everyday work. You'll find it packed with practical tips and real-world examples. They break down the science of asbestos, explaining its properties and why it's so hazardous. They teach you how to identify potential hazards, recognize warning signs, and understand the importance of proper handling. And they walk you through the proper safety procedures to protect yourself and others, ensuring a safer work environment for everyone involved. Section 4. Learn to work safely, live longer. So, what exactly will you learn in this life-saving course? Well, you'll become an asbestos detective, able to spot those hidden dangers before they become a problem. You'll learn about the different types of asbestos where it's commonly found, and the telltale signs of asbestos-containing materials. But it's not just about identification. This course teaches you how to work safely around asbestos. You'll learn about personal protective equipment like respirators, gloves, and disposable coveralls. They'll cover work zone setup, decontamination procedures, and emergency response protocols. Section 5. Get certified, stay safe. In today's fast-paced work environment, safety should always be a top priority. The best part? The OSHA outreach courses. Asbestos hazards training is 100% online. This means you can access the course materials anytime, anywhere. Learn at your own pace, on your own time, from the comfort of your own home. Whether you're an early bird or a night owl, the flexibility of online learning caters to your schedule. No need to take time off work or travel to a classroom. This convenience allows you to balance work, life, and learning seamlessly. Once you complete the course and pass the exam, you'll receive an official OSHA certificate. This certification is recognized nationwide and adds significant value to your professional credentials. This little piece of paper is a big deal. It represents your commitment to safety and your expertise in handling asbestos hazards. It shows employers that you take safety seriously, that you're trained to handle asbestos safely, and that you're an asset to any job site. Your certification can open doors to new job opportunities and career advancements. Don't wait. Enroll in the OSHA outreach courses, asbestos hazards training today. Investing in your safety education is investing in your future. It could be the smartest thing you ever do. The knowledge and skills you gain could make a significant difference in your career and personal safety. Your life might depend on it. Remember, safety is not just a requirement, it's a responsibility. Stay informed, stay certified, and stay safe.
Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to OSHA outreach courses.